In service to our community, Route 22 Honda has rededicated our dealership to help us all through these uncertain times, safely and with compassion for all. To protect all of us, we check every employee's temperature each morning. We've installed plexiglass protective barriers at desks and counters. We sanitize and protect every surface and high-touch area, including that which our customers come in contact with. The sanitation begins as soon as you bring your car in for service by protecting the steering wheel and gear shift knobs with plastic covers. We practice touchless sales and deliveries. Our service techs change gloves with every vehicle they touch. And we treat your vehicle's interior with disinfectant fogging with every service. We'll even provide masks and gloves to customers who need them. Helping to prevent the spread of this virus is the most important service we could ever perform. So we are strictly enforcing the CDC guidelines for the benefit of both our team members and our valued customers. Exclusively at Route 22 Honda, doing our part as part of the community.